Follow the steps on how to make editable transparent shadow text like this in Adobe Illustrator. First, I will insert a background image. Position it in the middle of the artboard and crop the rest. Press Enter and press Ctrl 2 to lock it. Then press T to insert the text. Set the font type and size. And readjust its position. Next, remove the fill color. Prepare the appearance panel. Click Add New Fill, then set the color. Add new stroke and also adjust the color. Click FX and select Offset Path. Set it according to your wishes. Also adjust the stroke weight. Click FX and select Transform. You can set it like this. Click FX again, Pathfinder, and add. Move it below Transform. Click Offset Path and change the joins to round for better results. Then click Add and make sure Remove Redundant Points is checked. Additionally, click Type and add a drop shadow effect to sharpen the text. Double-click to edit text. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.